Alright, I'm going to show you how to upload new designs onto our website. This is a portal that we use to upload the upload the designs. And once the design's uploaded, it'll be live on the site immediately. So it's a pretty handy sort of a thing. Alright, what you need to do is you need to go to this website here, and that's the address, publishedpixels.com/manage, and then it'll come to this login page. Now you need to log in as the administrator, so the username is admin, and the password, I'll give you the password, so you'll enter that password in there, and then log in. Now you need to choose Australia here, because we've done all of our testing with using the Australian version, so click on Australia at this stage until we can make sure the other parts are working. So here is a list of all of the designs that are currently displayed on the site. You can click on these and edit them if you want. We're looking to put a new design on, so we're going to go to add a new design. Here we've got a form that is used to populate the information in regards to the design. So I'll just go to the design now just to show you which one I'm looking at putting on. So this is the playground that I'm looking at putting on here. So this is a 3.5 inch play system. I know it's 3.5 because I've got these here, and on on the side of here it says here 3.5 inch system here. It's also got the size of the structure and size of the softball zone there too, so it's a little bit of information there. So we know it's a 3.5 inch. I've actually cropped these three images into these three here because I didn't want to put them on the site with Catel on them, so I've just cropped them in Picture Manager. You can crop them in any software you like. So we go back to the website. So product line. So you can see the different product lines, but we're going to be using the Kids Play 3.5 inch. We're mostly wanting to upload 3.5 inch at this time. We've got quite a lot of 4.5 inch already on the site, and we've got fitness, and we've got other things. So 3.5 is really the system that we're pushing at the moment. But if you're doing a 5 inch system, there's Max 1 5 inch, Classic 4.5 inch. Fitness is proper fitness machines, the actual fitness freestanding machines. And freestanding is like a freestanding net tower or something of that nature, some sort of a freestanding climber. Springs and swings, so that's a swing set or spring animals. And basically that's most of your product lines, but we're going to choose the 3.5 inch. Now name, if we don't populate name, it actually just puts the design code number in there as the name, which I quite like because it's prominent on the site, and if we're talking to customers and we ask them what the design code is, it really comes up in a prominent location if we just leave that name blank. So I'm suggesting that we just leave that blank at the moment. Here you can write a description of the playground, so it's a kids play. So you can really write anything you like in there and go as far as you want. More the better, I suppose. Agent. Now we're going to use the Australian agent again. As I said, we've done all our testing with Australia. Until further notice, we'll be using that. Category. Now it's an outdoor play. It's not outdoor fitness. It's not indoor play. It's not softball. It's not springs and swings. So it's an outdoor play. Theme. Look, it's really a traditional theme. It's not a spaceship or a treehouse or a pirate ship, so I'm going to go with traditional, which is just a standard style. Age group, look, I would say 2 to 12. Kids Play in itself is probably more of a junior style, so I'm going to say 2 to 12 on that. Now we need to put in the length, width and height of the actual equipment. This is not the softball size, this is the equipment size. Softball size is down the bottom here. Now we need to enter these values in as meters, okay, because we're going to have China do some of this work as well, and they only work in meters. So the base the base length measurement here is in meters. When it's displayed on the USA side, it will be converted automatically into feet and inches. So we need to make sure we put it in meters. So let's go back and look at our other file It tells us the size, which is this one. There's the size, structure size, 28 by 13, 28 feet. Now you can convert that by 28 divided by 3.3. This is 3.3 feet to a metre, is 8.5 metres. So go back here, put in 8.5. Width. Width was 13. Divide 3.3 equals 4 metres. It says 3.39, but I always round it up, so I'm going to round that up to 4 metres. And then our height. Has it got the height? Yep. Oh no, fall height. That's the fall height from the deck, but we want to get the actual height of the equipment, so in case you're putting it under power lines or trees or something. So we're just really going to have to look at the design and work out how big it is. So we're looking at that. That's a 4.8 or 48 inch deck, which is 1.2 metres. So I'm going to say then another 1.2 is 2.4. Look, I'm going to add another metre for the roof. It's okay to be over with these things. So I'm going to say 2.4, 3.4. Now the next bit is the softfall size. Now it says automatically set softfall sizes. Yes, that just adds 2.5 metres to either side as the default safety zone. If you know the actual safety zone, which might be a little bit less, you can enter it in manually, or you can just leave it in automatically set like this. In our case, we actually do know the softfall size here. So the use zone size is 40 by 25. So 40 divide 3.3 equals 12.2. And you see how it's a little bit bigger, this one, because the default size is maximum. So look, we can change this to no and we'll put it in ourselves. So 12.2. And it's 25 feet divide 3.3 is 7.6. And 7.6 times 12.2 gives us the area, which is 92.72. Now the boundary length. Let's say the boundary length. No, it doesn't. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just do these two measurements times 2, so it's 12.2 plus 7.6 times 2 equals, so that just gives us a boundary, which is 39.6, so that's automatically populating it there. Sorry, see here it says automatically populate. So we'll just leave that on. Is standards compliant? So this means that it complies to the safety standards or not. Now I'm going to put all of these as no. I want to get a safety standards guy to go through and actually check them, and he'll then check this to yes if he believes it complies to standards. Is obsolete? No, it's not obsolete. We're just putting it on as a brand new design. If later down the track it becomes an obsolete design, it will be checked there. Install instructions. Now you probably won't have install instructions, so there's no need to fill them in on this one. CAD plans is an actual CAD plan of the drawing. If you've got one of those, you can upload it here. I haven't got one of those, and it's not absolutely necessary at this stage. Images is an absolutely necessary one, so we need to upload images. So all we do is just browse. We just look for, now, I'm actually going to look for USA website. Designs in website, this one. Alright, that's where it's located. So I'll choose this design first, and I'll just browse again. Second view, browse again. Top view. Okay. Now, 3D files, if you've got the max file for it, you can save it as a .rar or compress it and upload it in here too. So I suggest you do that if you've got the max file. I haven't got the max file for this one, so I won't be doing that. It's not absolutely necessary. But if you do have it, or you're doing the design yourself, definitely I'd like them all to be uploaded in here. Is the design publicly available? Yes, it is. Now the price. We're going to put in the retail price. The only people that put in base prices is China, so they'll put in their price there, but we're putting in a price, so we're going to use the retail price. Now I'll just go back to my files, and we'll go to the quote. 12,231 and 47 cents. 12,231. 12,231. There's no additional notes, I don't think so. Look, that's all populated there. We've got kids play, short description, traditional theme, 2 to 12, all the sizes. Okay, so we need to make sure we've got our pictures in there, that's the most important, and make sure the price is in there, that's the most important, and the softball boundary sizes. So we can save that. Right, let's now it says here we can click here to view the public page, so this is what it's going to look like. And there's your playground. This is actually on the site. It's got now it's converted the sizes here, so 13 feet by 27 feet and 24 feet by 40. 2 to 12, that's great, traditional kids play. There's the name that comes up, just the code, so it's nice and easy to see. And it's Kids Play Playground, that's our little short description. That's the 10 to 15,000 that you see as public information. Going into the login information here, we've got further with the exact price of $13,150. Now that's just a conversion into US dollars, so and that's all working there. That's basically how you upload designs.